Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to Apple Tech Talks, and today for this video we're going to be talking about AirPods alternatives. So yeah, there's some pretty crazy stuff on Amazon, I gotta say. And for my newly renamed series called The Rule of Three on this channel, we're going to be talking about 3 craziest AirPods alternatives that are sold on Amazon. And guys, before we start, I just want to quickly promote my upcoming documentary. So the trailer is out on my main channel, Generation Z Gadgets. You can go watch the video right there. This is a documentary about the media entertainment industry, an industry I've wanted to work in for a long time. And it's just me talking to these highly esteemed professionals, getting to know what they do, what inspires them, why they do it, how they got to be doing it. Also, very much my own personal journey and how I sort of realized my professional ambitions. It's gonna be 1 hour and 10 minutes long, so be sure to bring your popcorn, and it's one of my proudest creations to date. So I would really appreciate if you checked out the trailer. It's 1 week left until the documentary comes out, and I cannot wait for you guys to see it. It's dropping for free, and I'll be there at the live stream on Friday. The exact time will be TBD. And yeah, so I hope to see you guys there. I hope to see you guys in live chat. I'll be there talking to you guys, so I hope to see you there. I'm super excited. Yeah, there's a lot of really crazy things on Amazon. I have to say, alternatives to products is probably one of the most interesting things for me to see, because usually they're sold at a cheaper price point. You know, you tend to see with AirPods and a lot of Apple products that sometimes they're just too expensive. And you know, as much as I love Apple and as much as I want this to be an Apple promotion channel, there's a lot about Apple that needs to just be said. I'm going to be showing you which other devices could best replace that AirPods experience, because let's face it, AirPods cost anywhere from $160 to $250, and for some people and for many people that's just not okay. So yeah, let's take a look at some of the crazy alternatives that exist there on Amazon. So first we have the AUDIIO wireless earbuds. So this comes with Bluetooth 5.0 and EDR, which is enhanced data rate, and that's an optional part of the Bluetooth specification that provides a faster data rate and possibly improved battery life. You also have noise cancellation and 2x6mm hi-fi loudspeakers combined with a metal microphone. There's an auto power on and pairing. The way you do it is you take out both earbuds at the same time. They will auto power on and pair with each other automatically. Then you switch on the Bluetooth on your whatever device you want to connect it to, connect to A1L, and they seamlessly connect. Put them back in the case and they will auto power off and charge. The red light will flash when it's charging. And once they're paired successfully with the phone, they will automatically connect next time via Bluetooth. It has a touch control design with no pressure on the ear during operation, and they have soft ear tips that enable long usage. There also obviously is that portable charging case and long battery life. It's a compact metal charging case with a breathable ice blue LED ring light, magnetic slide opening, and the 4 indicator lights in the case show the battery level. I gotta say, this design is quite interesting. It looks almost like, it's like a cylindrical design. It's not your typical Bluetooth headphones case. So I would say, you know, it's very easy to hold, definitely. Maybe a little bit easier than holding an AirPods case. Each earbud supports 4 to 6 hours of playtime on a single charge, and the charging case apparently can fully charge the earbuds for 4 times. The case is charged by USB-C cable, which offers 1.5 hour fast charging. And there also offers IPX7 waterproofing, so that makes you not have to worry about the sweat, water, or rain. It's about 5 to 6 hours of battery and the recharge with the case 4 to 5 times. So yeah, that certainly seems like a pretty crazy alternative, almost too good to be true. Let's look at the next one. So the next one is the Otium wireless earbuds. The Otium wireless earbuds also have a portable charging case, because in 2020, what kind of wireless earbuds are not going to have a charging case with them? With the individual LED display on the case that can help you check the power of the wireless earbuds and the charging case at any time, it offers a 3500 milliamp hour battery that brings you a total of evidently 135 hours of usage. All right, I don't know about that, but we'll talk about that in a sec. It can charge your iPhone 11 about 1 time. So yeah, here's the other interesting thing. Some of these cases, these charging cases, can actually charge additional devices other than your earbuds. So they can charge your phone, your iPad. So it sort of doubles as a portable battery pack. Apparently there's premium sound quality They don't really elaborate on that though, so I would probably discard that. Two headsets will automatically connect to each other at once you pick them out of the case, and there's only one step pairing. You just click the power pods title in your phone's Bluetooth settings to finish the connection. And thanks to the IPX8 waterproofing, it enables you to enjoy sweat in the sun and baptism in the rain with these little Bluetooth earbuds. Baptism in the rain, interesting. If you have any problem when using earbuds, please do not hesitate to contact a customer service to get help. I wouldn't say their customer service is as reliable as Apple's customer service or Apple Care, but yeah, maybe you should try out Otium customer service. Let's look at the third one. And by the way, I just wanted to elaborate a little bit more on the 135 hours of usage. So what actually tends to occur in a lot of Amazon product descriptions is that the description is different from the product. This is a very real issue. I've seen it dozens of times in reviews and such. So I would encourage you to read the reviews on any Amazon page for anything you're thinking of buying, not just technology. For this particular product, I'd say 135 hours of usage is quite high. Let me just make sure I'm reading that right. It says the 3500 milliamp hour battery brings you total 135 hours for using. That's a lot. 3500 milliamp hours is a lot, I'll give you that. So it's possible it's true, but they actually don't say how many hours the earbuds will survive on a single charge. So maybe they have really short battery life, and then this carrying case offers you to recharge them so many times because the battery is so small. So the third crazy AirPods alternative is the KKUYI dynamic color screen wireless earbuds. And these are apparently the 2020 newest TWS wireless earbuds. And it's advertised as global first truly dynamic color screen earbuds with a multifunctional dynamic digital display, which adds a smart LED power display, charging and discharging information. So it seems like a pretty informational hub. It lets you predict the playtime of the headset in advance, so you can stop worrying about it suddenly stop playing. The headset uses intelligent DSP technology, high sensitivity speakers, and apparently there's really good bass on it, but it's not too dull. It does say specifically that if you're playing CSGO, you can clearly hear the footsteps of the enemy. And that seems oddly specific, so I would say it's probably accurate. So it seems like a great experience for both listening to music and playing games. It also ships with Bluetooth 5.0 and IPX8 waterproofing. As always, you open the charging case to auto pair. The IPX8 waterproof technology allows you to use it in the gym, the shower room, rainy days. I'm still thinking about that baptism in the rain phrase. The portable mini power bank is also doubles as a charging case. So the battery capacity of the compact charging case is 3000 milliamp hours, which can charge your mobile phone or iPad, and it's equivalent to a small mini battery pack. So this one's shaped a little bit more like an AirPods case, and that's interesting. You do see that the capacity is a little bit smaller in this guy than the previous one, 500 milliamp hours difference. There's apparently an advertised 125 hours of playtime. 45 minutes of charging gives the earbuds 5 hours of music, and the charging case can charge the headset 25 times, which is a lot. So guys, I'll leave links in the description below to all these alternatives I mentioned today. I personally think, you know, Amazon can be amazing and terrible at the same time. Sometimes you get way more than you bargained for, and sometimes you get way less. You know, the fact that a lot of people can't buy AirPods because they simply don't have the money, or you know, they just don't like Apple products for whatever reason. There's a lot of people out there who will resort to products like this to, you know, sort of fulfill their need for wireless earbuds. And you know, these are clearly following the trend of, you know, those wireless earbuds in a charging case that was sort of introduced, I'd say popularized at least, by Apple and with their AirPods. Would I buy any of these if I didn't have the money for AirPods? Well, I would say out of the three I mentioned, the one that looks most convincing to me is number one. And it's partially because number two and three, number two doesn't even tell you the battery capacity of the actual earbuds themselves, which is quite sketchy. And for number three, the fact that you've got a digital display, LED powered display, constantly displaying is a little bit sketchy to me. Personally, I really like the design of number one a lot. I think the charging case looks very holdable, like, you know, very portable. Also, it's a lot harder to have the earbuds fall out of the case with that kind of design, as opposed to something with a lid on top that can easily open. Now, do I doubt that any of these products work? No, I think they all probably work. I would read the reviews of any product you're going to buy out of all these, but I looked at all of these and these were all relatively highly rated. So I wouldn't say that they're scams per se, but I would be cautious of taking everything that's advertised to be 100% true. You know, these are niche companies that are really trying to cut corners in a lot of things. I understand Apple is marketing themselves as a luxury company, so that's part of the reason why Apple tends to have higher prices on their products. But yeah, I would say still be cautious. My personal favorite's #1, but I think any of the three would suit your needs. So guys, let me know if you guys end up buying any of these. Let me know what it's like. I would love to hear from you guys. And yeah, as always, see you guys in the next video. I'm gonna eat my melting ice cream right here. But until the next video, guys.